And as I agreed, it's a 23 days of marriage because my marriage is completely cheating marriage. He just married me and he flew to UK. And Honorable High Court clearly said it's a clear-cut case of domestic violence where we don't want to interfere into this matter. The matter will be remanded back. Will you take back the matter, or shall the Honorable High Court involve and dismiss your petition? Took this hand summon, and I have served to the counsel of the my husband. In the High Court premises only I have given, and he has endorsed with the signature. He said, okay, we will come. That court heard it, and very nominal, 20,000 rupees. At the time, his salary was more than 3 lakhs rupees. But court has nominal way only 20,000 rupees granted. 20,000 in the DV case, they were paying the maintenance. Nowhere they have paid any amount in the family court. Said it's a violation of principles of natural justice. We have not been heard. We have not given any chance. The order was passed one-sided only. My mother, she is suffering in Orissa, so I went there for 20 days. In the meanwhile, these people have submitted what and all false submission before the family court. My husband, per month income only 4 lakhs rupees. Crores of rupees he has earned, and he cheated me and he left me like an orphan. So
what is your salary?
My lords, I'm getting 30, 31 sometimes, earlier 23,000, and my husband's salary is more than 4 lakhs per month. He is engineering passed out, 98 student, 98 in the year he completed. Post that, he's continuing his job till 4 years, nearly 25 years. And he is not revealing his salary anywhere, no pay slip, nothing. He is getting more than 4 lakhs per month salary, my lords. And coming to that family court maintenance, 20,000 rupees has been awarded, my lords. But 20,000 till now, the arrears are more than 13 lakhs or something. But they have paid till today 70,000 rupees. There I sought it for 1 lakh per month. 20,000 rupees has been ordered. There they are not paying. And coming to this DV court order, it is 2014 I have filed application seeking for the interim maintenance. And as I agreed, it's a 23 days of marriage because my marriage is completely cheating marriage. He just married me and he flew to UK. And after that, he has done all these natak. And 2014 to 2019 March, the matter was stayed by Honorable High Court. And later 2019, till 2019, single rupee I have not been awarded in the DV matter. 2014 to 2019 March, DV matter was stayed completely. In the month of March 2019, Honorable High Court clearly said it's a clear-cut case of domestic violence where we don't want to interfere into this matter. The matter will be remanded back. Will you take back the matter, or shall the Honorable High Court involve and dismiss your petition? Then these people said, no, don't dismiss our petition. We will only withdraw the matter. Then clearly court has said both of you can go to lower court and contest the matter. And clearly Honorable High Court told me, yes, we agreed that your case is a genuine case. You go and tell entire story to the lower court. Then both parties were directed to appear before the lower court, magistrate court. It's a kind of intimation to those people, the petitioner. They have not come and they have not appeared before the DV court. Court has again reopened the case, lower court, and sent the summons to these people 2 times. That also they have not. These people only came to High Court and matter was stayed 5 years. Honorable High Court clearly said them, I can produce all the orders, all the documents when I'll be filing the objections. And after that, they have not. I myself took the permission from the lower court and took the hand summon, and I have served to the counsel of the my husband. In the High Court premises only I have given, and he has endorsed with the signature. He said, okay, we will come. That time also they have not come and they have not appeared. It has happened 2019 when matter was remanded. 2019 again they have not came before the lower court. Court said, you tell ma, you appear, anyways you are appearing, you tell about your problem, court will hear the matter. Court heard it and very nominal, 20,000 rupees. At the time, his salary was more than 3 lakhs rupees. But court has nominal way only 20,000 rupees granted. That order, they have not challenged before magistrate. They have come and they have challenged it in the year 2020 January before again High Court of Karnataka. Then the court said 20,000 rupees, arrears is 12 lakhs rupees something. So half you can, 50% you can pay, remaining 50% Honorable High Court will hear. And don't stop that 20,000, she will be in a trouble. 20,000 in the DV case, they were paying the maintenance. Nowhere they have paid any amount in the family court. Family court order, they were not obliging. 20,000 as per the High Court order, then half of the arrears they paid. Remaining half, 2022 November, it has again come before Honorable High Court. Then these people said it's a violation of principles of natural justice. We have not been heard. We have not given any chance. The order was passed one-sided only. On 5 years, the matter was lying in High Court. Honorable High Court only told you to go and contest the matter. You are not appearing.
Yes. What happened thereafter? What happened?
Then the Honorable High Court said, okay, fine. Anyways, violation of principles of natural justice, this, that, and all you are telling. We are remanding the matter to lower court. Again, remanded back the matter to DV court. DV court 2022 November. And they said clearly that don't stop that 20,000 in the family court, because one maintenance at least she should get. Otherwise, she cannot survive. That also single rupee they have not paid. 2022 to till 3-4 months back, they have not paid a single rupee. That order, they were just taken advantage. Yes. And they, after remanded back the matter also, they have not appeared. And they were appearing starting, and now she is contending that, no, we have not appeared. My lawyer has not there. The junior lawyer left the job. Yes. My lords, can I be permitted to say something about the family court order, my lords? It was passed one-sided, my lords, which I am going to challenge it before Honorable High Court. Last time, Honorable High Court has given me the chance to file an appeal also. My cross-examination has not been done. My evidence has not been taken anything. My mother, she is suffering in Orissa. So I went there for 20 days. In the meanwhile, these people have submitted what and all false submission before the family court. And it was passed one-sided order. It's an ex parte order, which I have already submitted before the Honorable High Court, which I'm going to challenge it, my lords. In the meanwhile, I'm facing with the dengue fever. I was hospitalized. So this order is completely absence of me. I have not taken a single rupee from the family court order. Because my husband per month income only 4 lakhs rupees, crores of rupees he has earned, and he cheated me and he left me like an orphan. So how come this order? My submission has not been taken on record by the family court. And clearly Honorable High Court said, you file appeal, ma, this petition we will dismiss it, MFA, which they have challenged it. And 10 lakhs rupees which they have deposited in the Honorable High Court account, I have not taken a single rupee. Because my absence, that order has been passed. It's a one-sided. My cross has not been done. My evidence has not been taken on record. Nothing. And he has not filed any assets and liabilities also. On what basis family court has passed such kind of order? Because these people are influencing. They are making all false submissions.
Don't make all those submissions.
No, my lord, this is my pain. I'm telling out of my pain.
Please tell them what is relevant, not all that.
My lord, I was not there. Family court, one-sided order has been completed.
An ex parte order is passed that you are questioned. Then that is sufficient.
My lord. Yes, I have submitted the same thing to Honorable High Court also. They asked me to file an appeal. They asked me to file an appeal for challenging the appeal. I'm filing, my lord, because 2 days back only I have discharged from dengue fever. I'll be filing, my lord.
Yes, fine.
And family court, if at all they have paid any monthly maintenance 20,000 rupees regularly, which they are telling, let them put the proof before Honorable High Court that where, in which account, to whom they have paid. They are not paying anything in the family court. This 15,000 also, 2022 to till now it was stopped. That again they have started paying.
When there is a petition that is filed in 2014, an order for a final order to be passed, it took till 2023 in view of various litigation filed by the husband before the courts. Ultimately, the fact remains is the wife could not get any amount from the in these petitions, considering the fact that on 28/11/2023, that the divorce is already granted and
One-sided, my lord.
the same is
One side.
pending before the court. The husband, the order of the court below is confirmed, and he shall continue to pay. He shall pay the arrears. He shall pay the amount at rupees 15,000 till 28/11/2023. And 23, coming to the submission that the matter has to be remanded by giving an opportunity, that submission has no legs to stand, and this court cannot consider for the reason that this on these grounds several times the matters are being remanded, and first an application 2014 on these grounds is now finally an order is passed in 2023, and this court finds no reasons to remand the matter. Accordingly, disposed of.